Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and coolest products on the market. Today, we have a unique and eye-catching product to talk about. The eXtremeRate Clear Candy Pink DIY Replacement Shell for Nintendo Switch Lite. The eXtremeRate Clear Candy Pink DIY Replacement Shell is designed to give your Nintendo Switch Lite a fresh, stylish look. It comes with a clear candy pink-colored shell that resembles the classic Game Boy Color, adding a touch of nostalgia to your gaming experience. Installing this replacement shell is not for the faint-hearted. It requires a certain level of technical expertise. Be aware that opening your Nintendo Switch Lite to replace the shell will void its warranty. For those brave enough to tackle the installation, you can find a detailed video guide on YouTube by searching for eXtremeRate Replacement Shell Installation for Nintendo Switch Lite or JHA0JL 6000 rupees. Watching the video at half speed is recommended. Take your time, follow the steps closely, and keep your screws organized for a smooth installation process. The eXtremeRate Clear Candy Pink Replacement Shell is made of premium ABS material, ensuring durability and longevity. The clear candy pink color not only looks amazing but also adds a unique and stylish touch to your Nintendo Switch Lite. This replacement shell is custom designed to perfectly fit the Nintendo Switch Lite. It is not applicable for other Nintendo Switch models. Ensure that you have a Nintendo Switch Lite before purchasing this product. You can find this eXtremeRate replacement shell on Amazon.com for a reasonable price of $25.99. It's worth mentioning that there's a 10% coupon available for additional savings. The eXtremeRate Clear Candy Pink DIY Replacement Shell for Nintendo Switch Lite is a fantastic option for gamers looking to give their console a fresh and nostalgic appearance. However, be prepared for a challenging installation process that requires patience and attention to detail. That wraps up our review of the eXtremeRate Clear Candy Pink DIY Replacement Shell for Nintendo Switch Lite. If you're up for the challenge and want to customize your Switch Lite, this product might be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.